In this video, I will show you how to delete your search history in Google Maps on PC. So if you want to do this, then there are a couple of things that you can do. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the following. You're going to click on your search bar, and then in here you will see your history. And if you want to delete it, you're simply going to click on this X, and then you see that you will delete this history. You can also click on more from recent history, and then in here you will have a nice overview of everything that you search for, and then you can just go in and select it, and then you can click on this X as well, and then you are also deleting it. But if you want to delete more of your history at once, then this is what you need to do. You need to click on the three stripes in here at the top left, and then from here you need to scroll down, and then you need to click on Maps Activity. So let's go ahead and do that. And then in this section, you will see all of your history as well. And right now you can click on this arrow down, and once you do that, you can just select to delete everything from today, delete from a custom range, delete all time, and to even put auto delete off. So just go ahead and select what you want. I'm just going to delete all time, and then it will see everything that I searched for. And now I'm just going to click on delete. And as you can see, the deletion is complete. You can also change other data, for example, your location history and stuff like that, and your Chrome history. So just go ahead and select one of those if you also want to delete one of them. But anyway, this is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.